Today in this video we will see how to use two Snapchat account in one mobile. Very easy and simple trick. You can easily use two multiple account in one mobile. You can see two account. I tell you best app name, method, how to use two multiple account. Click on plus icon, select the Snapchat account, easily add Snapchat account, desktop, add icon name, Snapchat, and save. Automatically add to home screen. You can see two multiple account in one mobile. Open one and you can use two account at one time. To download this software, open Play Store and search two accounts. Search two account and oil app and download this application. To account all app space, open, click. You can easily add Snapchat account. You can use two or more than multiple Snapchat account. If you like this video, share our video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.